Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad Lite, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on my screen. So, once your content is open and visible on your screen, simply press the power button and the volume down at the same time. And you get the sound along with a pop-up and a quick instruction letting you know that you can also capture screenshots using 3-finger gestures. Now there's multiple of them. You can hold your 3 fingers and then just kind of like diagonally swipe to have a cropped screenshot. You can hold it and swipe all the way down. This will give you a long screenshot. Just a swipe gives you a normal one. And here's the scrollable one. And you can also apparently capture only specific portions of the screen if you're split screening your device, which is a new feature that I haven't actually seen before. Anyway, oops, let's close this up. So just to showcase this, normal screenshot. There we go. Now, when you're captured your screenshot, you can then find them in your gallery application or photos. Let's see, which one is it? Photos. So it's a Photos application, and you will want to navigate to Albums, and in Albums you'll find Screenshots album. Now in here you won't find just screenshots, there will also be screen recordings, but it's still much simpler to locate whatever content you're looking for, assuming it's a screenshot. In this area where you just have to worry just about videos showing up, unlike in the normal photo tab, literally everything would be here. So yeah. Anyway, and you can see here are the 2 screenshots that I have captured. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.